reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Suzuki Boulevard C50T. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Suzuki Boulevard C50T. This classic American-style cruiser offers a blend of comfort, style, and reliability, making it a top choice for long-distance touring. Background and description. The Suzuki Boulevard C50T is a powerful and comfortable cruiser motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by an 805 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Comfortable ergonomics, the relaxed riding position, plush seat, and forward-set foot pegs make for long-distance comfort. Smooth engine, the V-twin engine provides smooth power delivery and minimal vibration, reducing rider fatigue. Classic styling, the C50T's classic cruiser design exudes timeless appeal. Practical features like saddlebags, a windshield, and cruise control enhance the touring experience. Fuel efficiency, the C50T offers decent fuel economy, making it cost-effective for long-distance travel. Target audience and relevance. The C50T is ideal for riders who are looking for a comfortable and stylish cruiser motorcycle. Its relaxed riding position, fuel efficiency, and classic design make it a great choice for those who want to explore the open road. Expert reviews. The C50T has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its comfortable ride, stylish design, and easy handling. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The C50T is a fantastic choice for riders who want a relaxed and comfortable cruiser. It's easy to ride, comfortable, and has a classic appeal." Comparison to other cruisers. While the C50T may not have the same level of power and performance as larger cruisers, it offers a unique blend of comfort, style, and affordability. Its relaxed riding position, fuel efficiency, and classic design make it a compelling choice for long-distance touring. Conclusion. The Suzuki Boulevard C50T is a well-rounded cruiser motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, comfort, and performance. Its classic design, modern technology, and relaxed riding position make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a comfortable and stylish cruiser motorcycle for long-distance touring, the C50T is definitely worth considering.